Shorba, lamb soup. A main dish from Libya. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté the onion with meat in oil. Step 2. Add parsley and sauté until meat is brown. Step 3. Add chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, spices, and stir while sizzling. Step 4. Add enough water to cover meat, simmer on medium heat until meat is cooked. Step 5. Add more water if needed, and bring to a boil. Step 6. Add orzo, simmer until cooked. Step 7. Before serving, sprinkle crushed dried mint leaves, and squeeze fresh lemon juice to taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.